There's the lake.
It smells good.
Hi.
Hi, Levi. Last ride of the day. What is that? So busy. So pretty.
Afternoon date today.
We're on our way to Houhai Lake to explore.
Where are the kids?
At school. Ha ha ha. A beautiful day.
Hi.
So we're gonna go into the park and look for food, right? Somewhere in the area. I don't think there's any in the park though. We'll just walk toward that direction.
Okay.
There's the lake. Such a gorgeous day. Gotta bring the kids here. So pretty here.
Having a lovely walk together.
Dessert before lunch. Ooh, good choice.
Yeah, look away though.
Oh, that's true. 25 renminbi.
Yeah, took us down.
Oh, high prices. Looking for food somewhere here. So funny.
Stopping in to get some dried fruit. We really enjoy the guava over here. It's really delicious. Amazing thing about China right now is everything's digitized, so you use a lot of apps to just pay for everything. Very rarely do we use cash.
Beautiful drum tower. Dessert time. Oh, that's beautiful. Waiting for the TV. Gonna try Mr. Xi's dumplings for lunch.
Sounds good. Beef noodles sounds good. How's the food, Lee?
Good. It's so good.
Grabbing some breakfast. at one of my favorite spots near our home. Get these little baozi in the morning. 3 hot steamy pork buns for 7.5 renminbi, which is $1.
Timmy and I are on another solo adventure in Beijing.
I love our Thursdays.
Really pretty view here of the Temple of Heaven. This is called the Pearl Club and it's at the top of the Pearl Market. We're having hot pot for lunch. This looks so good.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Great. Yummy. So all this food for $20 US. Amazing. They also gave us these drinks are included. We each got one.
Yeah, each got a drink.
Such a good deal.
Yeah. Heading back from our date. Yeah, go get the kiddos.
We are at Beijing Olympic Park. Hi guys. Oh, whoa. Timmy, he's doing the Beijing bikini. It's not even that hot today. Here is the torch tower. I don't know what it's called. So huge. All right, guys, we're gonna cross, yeah?
Yeah.
That's pretty.
Kiddos.
Vivi's posing up a storm. Ah! You don't want the scooter in the cliff?
Beautiful.
How much we see of it. Okay, we're in. We're finally far enough away that we could fit the entire Olympic Tower in. Gonna see if we can rent a boat. We got one of these fishy-faced boats. Let's see which one we're gonna get, okay? Lead the way, Levi.
Can I put this in my
First stop is life jackets.
Okay.
Hi, Beatrice. I wouldn't put my mouth on it though, just because we don't know when the last time they cleaned it is. Levi is behind the wheel.
Doesn't look like they're looking.
Are you enjoying the ride?
See that yellow boat?
Relaxing?
You want to follow that yellow boat. Yeah, good.
Hello, Ducky.
Hi, Ducky.
Good job driving, Levi. Awesome. Come across this group of kids painting. Trying to find where to rent these bikes, but no no luck. We have no idea where to go. We've come across this children's amusement park. It's pretty exciting. Tim is getting some tickets. Hi, Levi! For their next ride. This is Bibi's first. Bibi, was that fun? On to the next ride. No scooters, skateboards, or bikes allowed in the park. Good job, Levi. 谢谢。On the search for food. This looks promising. Korean food for dinner.
She would cup it and put it in a bag.
Whoa, now look at the Olympic Tower. Oh, what is that? Also another Olympic Tower, all lit up. Hey, look at this view! How pretty! Looking for the water cube. You see the bird's nest there. There seems to be a concert happening today. Yeah, we think it's JJ, but we don't know who JJ is yet. Found the water cube. Here's where we're going for lunch. Yeah, they provide this really great free kids meal. Bibi is enjoying her kids meal. Beautiful indoor garden, huh?
Those flowers grew so big.
guess we're too early to the airport today. So, yeah, we're, hi. Hold on. So we're here 4 hours before our flight, which now we know is too early.
The check-in gate hasn't opened yet, and we're first. Yeah! With that comes a half-hour wait and the need to eat. Oh my gosh. Okay. And of course we need to have fries. Where's Beatrice? She has no idea that there are fries here. There we go.
About an hour and a half till boarding. Sure. Did you make those at school today?
Yesterday.
Oh, you made them yesterday?
Yeah.
Let's see.
For somebody's birthday.
Oh, cute.
Oh. We have to share them in half.
You want to cut it in half? Okay, let's go get a knife. Time to head to our gate. You have the bag? Thank you. Welcome the boys. Hello. Hello. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What's happened here? Going to Taipei, guys.